Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Amwell app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Amwell is a telehealth app that connects users with licensed doctors, therapists, and other medical professionals through secure video calls. It's designed to provide care for non-emergency conditions, mental health support, and even nutrition counseling, all from the comfort of your home. The app supports insurance integration, prescription delivery, and appointment scheduling for a wide range of specialties. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Users appreciate the convenience of being able to speak to a healthcare provider at any time, especially during nights and weekends. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, with a simple process for booking appointments and entering medical details. Many users also mention quick response times and professional service. However, there are a few downsides. Some users report occasional issues with video connectivity and long wait times during peak hours. Others mention that provider availability can vary by location, and a few faced difficulties with syncing insurance details. In some cases, follow-up coordination after appointments wasn't as smooth as expected. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, Amwell is a solid option for those seeking flexible and accessible healthcare from their phone. It's especially helpful for busy schedules or remote areas. Just keep in mind the occasional technical hiccups and insurance-related limitations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.